Do you remember how you shot a seagull once? A man chanced to pass that way and killed it out of idleness. That is an idea for a short story. But that's not what I meant to say. What was I saying? The stage. Now I have changed. Now I'm a real actress. I act with joy, with excitement. I feel intoxicated by it and feel that I'm superb. Ever since I came back, I've been walking and thinking, and I feel the strength of my spirit grow within me every day. Now I know, I finally understand, Constantine, that for us, whether we write or we act, it is not the honor or glory of which I dreamt that is important. It is the strength to endure. One must know how to bear one's cross. And one must have faith. I have faith, and so I do not suffer so much. And when I think of my calling, I do not fear life.